Hey everybody, come on in. This is one of those Sundays where I had declared no cooking, but since I thought out these wings, I thought, why not do some lemon pepper marinated wings? I've had them marinated over there for a little while, and I got them on my baking sheet. I'm just going to spread them out and bake them. We're going to do some leftovers today. You know, every time I think about it, I almost shudder because you know what? It's almost Thanksgiving. I have had a week, this week, I don't know what was going on with that little stomach situation, but I've not been able to do anything since Wednesday. So I just discovered today, this morning, I thought, you know what? I got to get my freezer cleared so I can have space for my brisket, because I'm going to bake a brisket, of course, for Thanksgiving. And I need some space. So I went out there and found some beans. I found some navy beans. I found some that chopped turkey barbecue. Let's see, beans, chopped turkey barbecue. Something else I found, I forgot what it is. But anyway, I need to make some space, so I made a little bit of space in my freezer for my brisket. And I'm gonna bake, this is 18 wings that I got here on the baking sheet. So all I did was, my usual seasoning. But the other thing that I did, I squeezed some extra lemon juice onto these wings to give that little extra tart lemony flavor. And as they cook and I get some broth off of there, I'm gonna go ahead and blend some garlic, some of my chopped garlic and olive oil in with that broth, and I'm gonna pour it back over to glaze my wings. So we're gonna have some glazed lemon pepper wings. So right now I need to go ahead and get these babies in the oven. I got my veggies over there thawing out, my leftovers. I hope you're having a God bless day, and I hope all is going well for you. I do hope and pray that you are continuing to pray without ceasing, to the glory of God for all things. For all things. I'm going to put me a little extra pepper, just a little bit. I'm telling you, some days things happen and we don't always get a heads up on it. Now this little stomach thing, whatever it is with me since Wednesday, it just let up today. So I decided, why not get in there and cook some food? You gotta eat, so I'm gonna eat light today. Maybe a wing and maybe some beans, and that's gonna be it for me. And I've decided it was those spicy wings that I ate. Tore me to pieces, y'all. I just can't eat hot food now. I say all the time that I don't eat a lot of hot food, but I think I went a little bit too far with those hot wings. I'm pouring just a little bit of olive oil, just drizzling a little bit of olive oil on these wings. This will hopefully make them a little bit crispier and give them a little bit different flavor. And when we get that broth off of them, I have a nice little glaze for these wings. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and get them in the oven. They're gonna have to bake for the better part of an hour, 45 minutes to an hour, because these are not real big wings. These are nice size. I like this size. So I'm gonna put my oven, we're gonna bake them on 425, okay? And there they go. I'll have to turn them a couple of times before they are done. Again, I hope you all are having a God bless Sunday evening. Hope all is well with you and yours. And I'm hoping that you all are getting your Thanksgiving dinner well on the way to being planned. I'm kind of behind this time, y'all, because by now I already know, well, I pretty much know what I'm going to prepare. And the thing that I'm behind on this time is I usually have already done all my meat shopping, especially. And I have not gotten to it, but I will get to it come tomorrow. Get that done. Got a doctor's appointment this week, and I still got some work to be done on my kitchen floor. Can you believe that? I don't know if I told you or not. They did not order enough material, so they had to come back, and there was some conflict about getting the new order in. So I'm still looking at parts of my floor that's not complete. So I'm still calm. My patience is, I guess it's wearing thin. I don't know. I haven't gotten upset about it just yet. I haven't figured out what that leak is in my den. So I just don't know quite what's going on. So anywho, we're just tooling right along, and we're gonna do what we do, and we're gonna get this dinner going. So be right back. Okay, y'all, Sunday dinner is ready. I've got leftovers going on today. I got some leftover chopped turkey barbecue, some navy beans, some lemon wings. Those I cooked fresh, so they weren't leftover. Fresh cooked rice. Got some corn muffins on the back burner and some corn. So that's how we want to call this leftover Sunday dinner, except for the wings. So thank y'all for stopping by. I didn't do a whole lot of talking today. Just a couple things going on, trying to recoup from last week. So anywho, y'all, thank y'all for stopping by, checking in with me, and allowing me to say I appreciate you. I love you. Thank you for all your comments and compliments, and of course all of your prayers that you continue to do as we go through these trying times here in our homes, in the school system, in our government, and throughout the world. So remember to continue to pray without ceasing, doing something kind for somebody. Until I decide to cook again, love you guys. Look at those wings. They came out really, really good. They taste so wonderful because I allowed that fresh lemon juice that I put on them did the deal. So next time you do lemon wings, squirt your little lemon juice on there in addition to the lemon pepper seasoning. So until I decide to cook again, pray without ceasing. Love you guys. Toodles.